In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy domain from GoDaddy. By the end, you'll be able to search for a domain, choose the right option for your budget, add it to your cart, and securely complete your purchase. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type GoDaddy and click the official GoDaddy website. Once you're on the home page, sign in to your account using the login option at the top. Being logged in now makes checkout faster and ensures your new domain shows up in your account as soon as you complete the purchase. Next, locate the search bar on the GoDaddy homepage. Type the domain name you're considering. Keep it short, easy to spell, and relevant to your brand or project. If your first choice is taken, try variations or different endings like .com, .net, or a country or niche extension that fits your audience. When you're ready, select Search Domains to see availability and pricing. On the results page, review the options. You'll see different extensions and prices. Pay attention to both the first-year price and the renewal cost, which can be different. If multiple options fit your brand, pick the one that balances memorability and budget. When you've decided, click the cart icon next to the domain to add it to your cart. You may notice a small arrow or mini cart indicator after adding the domain. Click that arrow to review what's in your cart and proceed. When prompted, choose. Continue to cart so you can confirm your selections. Here you can review the term, length, and any add-ons that may be suggested. If you only want the domain, make sure your cart reflects that. When everything looks correct, select Ready for Checkout. Now add your payment method. You can use a credit or debit card, and in some regions, other payment options may be available. Enter accurate billing details and make sure the name and address match your payment method to avoid declines. Double-check the total, including taxes and renewal terms. When you're set, click Complete Purchase. The transaction will process, and you'll see a confirmation on screen. Your new domain will appear in your account under your products shortly after. Keep an eye on your email for a receipt and any next steps from GoDaddy, like domain verification requirements in certain regions. That's it. You searched, selected, added to cart, checked out, and completed your purchase on GoDaddy. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new domain.